The grade 8 student suspected in the Zamboanga City school attack appears to have acted alone. Authorities are now looking into the student's personal evidence to determine his possible motivation. Bea Piniza has the report.
The grade 8 student has allegedly acted alone and carefully planned the attack in a school in Zamboanga City. That is the assessment of DILG Secretary John Vic Rimulya during his visit to Ateneo de Zamboanga University. According to Rimulya, there is no indication that the student has any group affiliation, accomplices, or family influence in carrying out the act.
The police report will come out in due time, but the facts remain that as far as we can determine, Mr. acted alone. Alone in the sense that he planned, executed, and willfully did everything on his own.
Rimulya also assured the public that schools remain safe and peaceful despite the incident. The DILG chief further vowed to continue strengthening security measures to keep Zamboanga City and the other areas of the country safe. Meanwhile, the Philippine National Police has begun examining the students' personal devices. Authorities hope the digital investigation will help determine the factors or possible influences that may have contributed to the students' action.
Our PNP is investigating it properly. First is what could the motivation of this minor shoot fellow minor and kill himself afterwards. So merong motivation yun. So we're looking.
Authorities are also continuing their examination of the physical pieces of evidences gathered to eventually determine how the gunman has gained access to the firearm used in the incident. Bea Piniza, IBC News.